Okay guys, I'm back, and here's that little bear I was telling you about we're going to have pointing towards the office and the shop. And he's basically on a piece of scrap wood, and I'm going to show you how to do the eyes up. He's nothing fancy, you know, I didn't even cut his feet out yet all the way. I'm going to take that piece off the bottom and we'll make a nice little stand for him. But what I wanted to show you was the eyes, like on these bears in the back here. Let me see if I can see these eyes here. They're just neat little eyes that dress up the bears, okay? And I'm probably going to run out of battery in this video, so I'm going to make it fairly quick. I'm going to try and zoom in here as much as I can and try to stay out of the camera so you can get an idea. I don't know how good you can see. If I stay on this side, and I squat down here, see that bear? Basically, I'm just getting some white acrylic paint. And the first part is to just make two nice little ovals, whatever type of eye you want to make. Right? They're real basic and real simple. Okay, just paint those in. Let them fit on your card in there. You don't have to be real fancy. You can touch anything up with black later on. All right. We need something to put his eyes in. Try and make them fairly symmetrical. You see that okay? Really watch it. You can probably see this side better than the first one I did. And we're trying to make them symmetrical. That's all. I'm not really worried if they're bigger. One's bigger than the other, because I can always take the black and then put black to take the white down a little bit if it's too much. Alright? We're going to let that dry a little bit. And we'll go to the next part. That's the first basic thing. Right? You want to take those eyes, make them even, let them dry, and that's the very first base coat that you're going to do to get these eyes on. Alright, so that's all you need for the first part. Now we'll let them dry, and we'll do the second part. It's real simple. You can do this on any carving. You could do it. I use it for eagles. I have a little eagle over there. We're waiting for him to dry. Maybe you can see that. I don't know. Let's see. I think I did it on the eagle. Yeah, he's got basically the same type of eye. I haven't even put a highlight really in him yet, but you see that? Okay, so, but you need that white first, and then you'll be able to get, you know, the whole eye in there like that. So it's going to be white, black, and then a dot. That's all it is. Okay, and that's how we're going to do Mr. Bear here. It's going to be a very short, very quick video. And again, we do sell wood carving, so if you ever do say somebody wants my partner Dan's mermaid there, you know, or one of our pieces, just let us know. He'd be very proud. The awesome mermaid in the back, right? And behind the bear here, there's a really neat wood spirit. Let's see if I could show you guys that guy. Behind him, we have a nice little pine knot. Remember the pine knot video? Well, that pine knot, when you carve them out, they always end up pretty neat. There's the newest pine knot we'll be adding and putting in the store here, out in the office. Love the way those things flow. They're so cool. So when that bear's eyes dry, I'll be back and we'll do the next two steps. And you'll have a quick little way to put eyes on your carvings, you know, if you're using paint, you know. I mean, I could get real fancy and show you all kinds of dry brush techniques and everything else that maybe down the road, you know. But for now, a lot of people just want to dress up their carving. They don't like just burning the carving. Some people make an eye tool and they just burn the eyes in, and you have these black circles that just look off into infinity, you know. I'm not really into that. I'd rather at least, I like making the ones that sell for me the most are kind of the cutesy ones, not really the realistic ones. Not that I'm into cutesy, so. But they do tend to go a little bit better, you know, at the places I sell. Or so I find that these guys work the best and they're the simplest for me. And when I'm doing a lot of carvings, it just happens to be, you know, the best thing to do. Now this bear, for instance, if you're going to do something like this, you could do this on a piece of plywood. You know, he's cut out of a big chunk of tree, actually. It was a piece of scrap. So what I'm going to do is build a little base. You know, we'll build the base for it and have him stand up. And we're going to hang a sign that says office or management or something, all right? So, and again, I'm chopping off my head, so we're going to back up. Sorry about that. But basically the whole idea is to get your white, that's your base, and then you put a little black pupil, you know, as big as you want, on top of the white, all right? In case I run out of film here, I will go back and do it. I just have to edit the videos together because I know my battery's running low. But what I'm going to do next is paint a black pupil, and then once that black pupil dries, all I'm going to do is put a little white dot for a highlight, and that's it, all right? Then you can shape them, like I say, with black around the eye, if it's one's bigger than the other, say, and you're white. And you can give them eyebrows or a little eyeliner across the top, look like a lid. There's all kinds of things you can do. But basically 3 things: white, black, and then a white dot. And you got your bear eyes. Now if it was drying quick enough, I don't know if I could get the black in there right now, but while I still have a little battery left, let me see. It's very wet right now, so I don't know how good it's going to work, but I'll show you what I mean. See the eye there? Right now. Whoops, that's a lot of paint. This paint's really watered down because I wanted to see if I could get it on all one shot. So there's one eye without his pupil, or his highlight, I should say. And this one I just did, so it's very wet, alright? But you get the idea. I'll have to go over it again because that white still isn't dry on that one. Oh, and this one's running. But right there, where he's running, I would just take white. See, I'm trying to rush it because he's just not going to dry in order for me to get it all in one video, because I really don't want to make 2 or 3 separate videos waiting for this thing to dry. But I guess I'm going to have to. But, I'll just smear that and let it dry and put white over it. Well, then I can show you how to touch it up. But basically, it's white, then black, then the white dot. So when he dries, I'll make another video and I'll edit it together and I'll show you how to fix that. Alright? And he'll just look really, really neat. Okay? So this right here is the part of the video where I'm just going to cut it. I'll let them dry and then we'll finish them in the next video. Alright? We'll just add them together.